In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access and use the new Claude Design. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. With Claude Design, you can design basically anything you want. You can design, for example, slides, mobile app designs, design websites. You can even create designs for your game. So all you need to do is go to claude.ai and click design right here, or you can directly go to claude.ai/design. Once you are here, you can choose between using a template. As you can see, we got a lot of different templates. Like for example, let's say we want to create a mobile app design. You can click here and this will apply this template automatically. Now you got this thing right here where you can choose a specific style, or you can set up your own design system, but this is optional, so I'm not going to use it. Then you can also upload files, which can be images for reference, for example. You can also reference another project. You can connect your GitHub if you want to create something code related. And you can even click here to upload the code of the application or website you want to design. So it will design what's currently in the code you upload. For my case, I'm just going to put a prototype of a dashboard for my new fitness mobile application, and the model, depending on how hard this task is, you can choose between the different models. So in my case, this is just a test, so I'm going to use this one, which is not a very powerful model, and I will set a medium effort. So I'm just going to click here and it will start generating my new design. After the first prompt, it will probably ask you for some questions and you basically need to select what you want, so Claude will personalize this design and make sure it's what you are looking for. Now once you answer all the questions, it will generate this prompt with the specific instructions. It might ask you some other questions which you just need to reply, and now it will finally start generating this design. And now after a few minutes we got the complete design right here. We can see how it even generated different pages, and it's like a normal working app. It's interactive. So just with a few minutes we got the full design right here. And as you can see right here, it will automatically find issues and fix them without you doing anything. And of course you can ask for any change right here. You can even have this voice mode where you just talk to the model and it will start doing the changes. And you also have this edit option, so you can do like different tweaks. You can see the code if you want to change something right here. You can change the color very easily right here and other simple changes. But that's it. Basically, to create the perfect design, you will need to ask for some changes until you have the result you want. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.